Hi friends, today I'm going to explain how to sign into the Microsoft Teams with our institutional ID. For that, you have to first of all open Google Chrome tab, type MS Teams. Please select the first one. Then the screen will appear with the two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you don't have the institutional ID means you can you can get inside that Microsoft Teams by using the sign up for free option. If you already have the institutional ID means you can use the sign in option. So this screen will appear. So I already get inside that Microsoft Teams. I already sign into that account. So I just show you how to open with a new account. So you already have provided with the institutional ID in Excel sheet. Please copy that mail ID and paste it here. Do the next. It asks for your password. Again, you go to that Excel sheet, copy the password, paste it. And this page will appear. If you want to save your new password means you can save here, and you have to again enter the password, and you have to give the new password, and you have to give the confirm password, and you have to sign inside. Then this screen will appear. You please select the second one, use the web app instead. No need to that first one, as because all the files will get collected in your, it will be hanged in your laptop itself. You can use your web browser itself. So I already created some class for me. While you sign into your Microsoft Teams with your institution ID, so this page will appear. So if you select, see here, activity, chat, Teams, assignments, calendar in the left side and calls. And you please select the Teams. And here the create team comes. I'm going to create a class now. You please give the subject name first, and within bracket you please give the class, then only that the students will get for clarified. The next, creating the team, and it starts for to add the pupil to this class. So here I'm searching my first student. So go to that Excel sheet with the student's institutional ID. So the first name, please copy that one. Amuda R. Copying that girl's name. And paste it here. And inserts the name. There is only one Amuda R in our institution. Select it. Already selected. Again, you please go to the second one, Amuda B. Copy that one. Paste it here. There is two Amuda. That one is in our Commerce SSC and another one is in Maths. So I am going to select my student with the correct register number. Again, you have to go to that one. This process will goes on up to the last girl. So you can select any number of students here. So here you see there are so many Anushya K in our institution. You have to select your student with the correct register number. Select it and you please click add. To show you that only with the 3 students. So you please close it. Yeah. So if you want to see your students name list means you please click the 3 dots near the income tax. Third become B and you please click the manage team. So I am the owner of this class. So my name will come in the top. Yeah, the 3 students already added here. If you want to add any staff with the same class who is sharing this paper with you means you can add this one. So you please see in this stage itself you can add the students. Again I'm showing. You can type the student's name. It is also added. And if you want to add that any teacher who is sharing with your classmates, you can go to the teacher. Then you please see that in Excel sheet with a staff ID. Selecting one staff. Copy it. So this page will appear. You can select your teacher and add, include that one. Close it. So now you see here the staff which you select comes in the top with you. So the student's name will come at the bottom. So in this way you can create that another class also. Creating again the class. Same procedure you have to follow. So in this way, we can create that many teams which we are going to teach this semester. So I'm going to teach income tax for the third become B and the corporate accounting for second become A this year. So I created the 2 teams. If I want to change my class icon means we can change. So for that you have to go to that manage team. So click here. So go to that upload. If you want any one of the picture means you can select here. If you want any other picture from your any folder means you can go there, select it. You can select any picture and add that one and you please click the update. So it's saving now. See here. So your class icon will get changed. So that the students can easily know your class when they are opening their Microsoft Team with your with their institutional ID. So if you want to change your picture means, so you can go to this way, change picture, and upload picture from your folders. You can select your photo and save it here. Close it here, and you see. So usually it takes that first name's first letter and last name's first letter as a icon. And if you want to change your picture means, you can change it. Now, if you want to take a class for the income tax third become B, or otherwise, if you want to take a immediate instant class for the corporate accounting means, you have to select here. So see here the symbol. See, there are two options are now. If you want to start that immediate instant meeting means, you can press meet now. So you meet now. So see here the meeting time starts shows here. Uh, and this is the screen share option, just like in Google Meet and the Zoom. You can raise your hands during the meeting, and you can end your and you can hide participants. You can use the whiteboard while you are opening the screen share option. You can give you a full desktop view. You can end your meeting here by pressing here. And if you put that more actions means, if you want to record your class means, you can give it here, start recording, and it automatically get downloaded in your as a file, as a Windows Media Player file in your laptop. So if you want to end the meeting means, you can close it here. And if you want to start a share, if you want to schedule a meeting means, you can go here, and you have to put here corporate accounting class. Class. You can select your date and the time, that other things if you want. If you want to do this one, if you have the same or in the same timing means for all the working days means, you can put it as a repeat, or otherwise you can keep it here to does not repeat. So before the day of the class, you can schedule your meeting like this, and you have to put the send. So if you give the send button means, automatically the message will be given to given to your respective students. So if you want to give the assignments or homework to the students means, you can choose assignments here. So you have to click the create button. You can do the assignment, or you can give the quiz just like in the Google Classroom. So I already created the two classes for me. So you have to now you have to select the particular class to whom you want to give you the assignment. Give the next, and you can create a new assignment just like in your Google Classroom. So the messages will be automatically sent to the respective students. So if you already created the scheduled meeting means, it will be shown in a calendar. See here, for tomorrow, I scheduled one meeting for the third year income tax, Dr.B.Geetha. So it is given in the name itself. So likewise, you can create for the 5 hours. You can schedule the meeting in the day before itself. So that the intimation will be given to you. It will be very easy for the students also. They can easily log into your class while it gets started. Thank you, friends. Thank you for your patience listening.